Cunt. Fuck you, cuh. Yeah. Stop it. I can't. What the hell? Oh, yeah. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking care to ask. I was gonna tell Black it's the 30th. That we only have 1 day to wait now. Basically, 24 hours. What the fuck, Goku? Who's Black? Konnichiwa. Shut the fuck up. Ugh. God damn, that was fucking disgusting. That was the grossest burp I ever fucking had. Gohan, where the fuck are you going? Going to masturbate! Never mind. Haha, I forgot. Jesus Christ, Gohan. How did you know it was me, Dad? This marriage of ours is really queer. Damn it, Gohan, what the fuck? I gotta go do something real quick. What up, fuckers? I don't. It's not your birthday, is it? What is it? Jesus Christ! Knock it the fuck off! God damn! I've had it in my mouth since November of 2022. Shit. What the hell? Some people think he's missing. Fuck. What the fuck are you doing, dog? It's not what it looks like. Then explain to me why this green bitch is sucking your balls. My pants are still on. Really? Erase his disappointment. You didn't even fucking raise me, bitch! Shut the hell up, Gohan. You're defective, too. What do you mean, Dad? Knowledge of, fixing and cleaning up a bed. Ouch! Well, you're out, so I gave him some opioids. What? Yes, he looks at, bird porn. Yay. For the... not the conclusion. From our garbage-ass burps. Wait, you can fucking burp in that thing? Yeah. So we can swear as much as we want? No, you fucking retard. Damn. Yeah, fuck you. Damn, Peter, that was gross. I don't fucking care. Hey, Vegeta! What? You wanna go get McDonald's? Hell yeah! Oh, dude. Dude! Stop that shit. That's so fucking gross. Okay. Oh, but you fucking fat ass. Shut up. Where are you going? I'm getting a drink. Bag it. Ew. You utter fucking swine. Jesus Christ. Damn it, lolbit. Is that a fucking Cakester residue? Maybe. Oh, you good? No. I'll be right back. Where are you going? Fuck you. Oh, Jesus Christ. You're gonna do that every fucking time you need a fucking drink? Oh, my God. Gin. Damn. That was a good one. Man, shut the fuck up. Jesus Christ, that was awful. Oh, look, a gay man. Did you just call me a gay man? And did you just burp in my face? Yeah, I did. Man, I should kill your ass right fucking now. What in the actual fuck? Knock it the fuck off. Jesus Christ. What a pussy. Damn it. That sucked. Fuck. Oh, great. Oh, shit. Alright, who the fuck did that? Whoever did that, show your face. I want to kick your ass. I thought we got rid of you. Sup, bitches? Damn it. I don't fucking care. Hell yeah. Dude! It's disgusting. Christ. Ew. Sweet Jesus. Oh, we needed it for something else, so I had to give it up. Jesus Christ! Damn it. What the fuck was that? Ah, fuck. You good? Wow, that was shit. Now I don't even want to riz you. Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh. Okay, that's all she's gonna do. Great. Woo! Holy fuck. Oh. Okay. Whatever the fuck that is. Jesus Christ. Greetings and salutations, everyone. Okay, that's about that. Goddamn. Son of a bitch. Which one of you dick twitches is doing a burp off? Cause I just won. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh. There we go. One for the road. You're goddamn right. Oh my god! He did win it. He could talk and burp at the same time. No shit. Fuck you. Move. Who burped and said fuck you? Me. Faggot. Wow.
That was hot. I gotta admit, that was hot. What the hell, Vegeta?
Well, that was terrible. That was terrible. God damn it. I feel ashamed of my burps.
As you should, bitch.
Filthy birch tree.
All right, I'm a dirty birch tree.
Oh my god.
Where the hell did Roxanne go? What the hell?
Okay. What do you want with me? It's a burp in my face. Well, I, Dio, am the pinnacle of perfection. So I, Dio, can do whatever Dio pleases.
Why did you burp? There's this thing called gas buildup in my intestines and stomach and stuff. So it's gotta either come out my mouth or my ass. Oh my fucking god. Yes! What the hell? Why'd you burp on my eye? Sweet. Toss me one, bitch. It's kind of floppy, Jesus Christ. Ah! Like that fucker. Damn it. Well, probably not.
What's up? What's up, Ratchet? Jesus Christ.
It would have been the gallery, but nope. Jesus Christ!
Well, that was the burping compilation. Hope you fuckers enjoyed.